Welcome to the world of intermediate German language learning. In this video service management lesson in the province, we delve into the intricacies of the verb, lassen. The lesson covers various aspects of lassen, showcasing its versatility in different contexts. Lesson highlights. 1. Understanding lassen. Lassen is a multifaceted verb that can be used in diverse scenarios, making it a crucial element in mastering German. In Lesson 7, we explore lassen with prefixes, uncovering the nuances that come with its various forms. 2. Nachlassen letting up. The verb, nachlassen, embodies the idea of letting up or decreasing. For instance, wir sollten spazieren gehen. Wenn der Regen nachlässt translates to, we should go for a walk when the rain lets up. This usage extends to various conditions like storms, heat, cold, or noise. 3. Verlassen tolieve. Verlassen focuses on the act of leaving. Whether it's leaving a party, a room, a building, or even a team or job, this verb encapsulates the notion of departure. For example, verli die party 11 Uhr means he left the party at 11 o'clock. 4. Hinterlassen to leave bin. Hinterlassen involves leaving behind something, be it a message, an impression, or even an inheritance. Ich muss herausfinden, mir dies Nachricht hinterlassen hat translates to, I need to find out who left me this message. 5. Auslassen mit. Auslassen deals with the idea of omitting or leaving out. It can refer to skipping a chapter, omitting words or sentences, or even venting frustration. For instance, lied das Kapitel aus means he skipped the chapter. 6. Entlassen to dismiss or release. Entlassen pertains to dismissing or releasing, often applied in contexts like the workplace or healthcare. Der neue Chef wollte kein Arbeiter entlassen translates to the new boss didn't want to dismiss any workers. 7. Berlassen to entrust or levato. Berlassen involves entrusting or leaving something to someone or something. For instance, ich berlasse der dies Entscheidung means, I leave this decision to you. 8. Weglassen to leave out. Weglassen is the act of leaving something out. Whether it's a word in a sentence, a dessert on the menu, or even an address in a letter. Nen word diesen Abschnitt weglassen translates to, can we leave out this section? 9. Anlassen to keep in. Anlassen signifies keeping something on, such as lights, electronic devices, or even clothing. Kannst du bitte das Licht anlassen means, can you please keep the light on? In conclusion, lassen proves to be a dynamic and essential verb in the German language, offering a spectrum of meanings and applications. Mastering its various forms with prefixes opens doors to nuanced expression and comprehension.